modern chips, they are so tiny as possible, and that's good. Yeah. This is now also a surface mount chip. So you can imagine the chip is mounted just on the circuit board, so it's placed on it, and it's soldered just on the surface, on the top of the circuit board. Few years ago, there are THT through-hole components commonly used. So that are if this one here is the PCB, this one would go through the PCB, and you solder it on the other side. So you solder it on the other side, yeah. That is taking much more space for sure, because the other side is also have a hole in it. So yeah, SMD surface mount components are much better and much tinier and much compact, yeah. And then you can see here, you can see the numeration of the pins. That one will be then important for the PCB itself. So you then place the chip on the PCB, or you make a footprint for it. We call that footprint, the place where this chip here is going on the PCB. Yeah. And we need to know then what the numeration of these chips, or yeah, where the pin is, where the pin 1 is, and what function it has to mount, to correctly draw the circuit correctly. Yeah, exactly. And here you have a description on all the pins, so you need to read it. You can't go, there is no shortcut. Absolute maximum rating. So you can, at the beginning there was standing, I think 70 volt input voltage here. But what you can read here is 85 is the absolute maximum. So if you go beyond the 70 volts and put 80 volts on it, there is still a chance that nothing happened. But if you exceed this 85 volt, then I think nearly guaranteed that something will break, yeah, or the chip doesn't work right, yeah. So as I said, you need to go through here many threshold voltages. You don't need to know this all or to read this all. Much of it is just, yeah, for, yeah, you don't need anything. So I've also not, I've go through it, over it, but I don't took here that one here. Oh my God, what's the state? Okay. No. Yeah, you just need to know the things you need to worry about, and yeah, you become a feeling of that, what you need to worry about.